Did you know the Python programming language got its name from comedy? Not snakes. Creator Guido van Rossum was reading scripts from Monty Python's Flying Circus while working on the language in the late 80s. He wanted a name that was short, unique, and fun, just like the language itself. Python's playful vibe even extends to its official tutorials, often including examples featuring spam, eggs, and jokes inspired by the show. So, next time you're coding in Python, remember, it's not just powerful and readable. It's got a sense of humor baked right in. Keep calm and code Pythonically.